Hey, Food Truth fam! Welcome back to Food Truth, your go-to channel for uncovering the real facts about the foods we eat. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood, but incredibly important: the amazing health benefits of red meat. If you love learning about nutrition and want to stay updated with our latest videos, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Red meat, which includes beef, lamb, and pork, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with high-quality proteins, iron, zinc, and B vitamins like B12 and niacin. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting our immune system, promoting muscle growth and repair, and maintaining healthy blood cells. Plus, red meat contains important minerals like selenium and phosphorus, which are essential for optimal health. Throughout this video, we'll discuss how the nutrients in red meat can benefit our bodies, debunk common myths surrounding red meat consumption, and provide practical tips on how to enjoy red meat in a healthy and sustainable way. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this journey to uncover the amazing health benefits of red meat consumption. Red meat is renowned for its nutrient-rich profile, offering a wide array of essential nutrients that are crucial for our overall health and well-being. Let's explore the various key nutrients found in red meat and their incredible health benefits. First and foremost, red meat is a powerhouse of high-quality protein, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to support muscle building and repair. Protein is essential for the growth and maintenance of muscle mass, as well as for the repair of tissues throughout the body. By including red meat in your diet, you can ensure that you are meeting your body's protein needs to support optimal muscle function. In addition to protein, red meat is a rich source of iron and zinc, two important minerals that play vital roles in energy metabolism and immune function. Iron is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body, while zinc is essential for immune cell function and wound healing. Including red meat in your diet can help ensure that you are getting an adequate intake of these essential minerals to support your overall health. Furthermore, red meat is packed with B vitamins, including B12 and niacin, which are crucial for neurological health and red blood cell production. B vitamins play key roles in energy metabolism, nerve function, and the synthesis of DNA and red blood cells. There has been much debate surrounding the impact of red meat consumption on heart health, with many misconceptions and myths circulating in the media. In this section, we will examine the relationship between red meat consumption and heart health, debunk common myths, and shed light on the benefits of incorporating red meat into a heart-healthy diet. One common misconception is that red meat is inherently bad for the heart and can increase the risk of heart disease. However, research suggests that the association between red meat consumption and heart health is more complex than previously thought. While processed meat may adversely affect heart health when consumed in excess, unprocessed cuts of red meat, like steaks, should be part of a heart-healthy diet. Steak cuts, such as ribeye and sirloin steaks, are a valuable source of essential nutrients like protein, iron, and B vitamins without impacting insulin levels. Red meat can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Furthermore, the nutrients found in red meat, such as heme iron, zinc, and B vitamins, can support cardiovascular health. Heme iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood. Zinc plays a role in immune function and wound healing. And B vitamins help regulate homocysteine levels, which can impact heart health. By including fatty cuts of red meat in your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of these essential nutrients while supporting your heart health. Including red meat in your diet can have significant cognitive benefits, supporting brain function and overall mental well-being. In this section, we will explore how red meat can positively impact cognitive health, from supporting brain development to enhancing cognitive performance. One key nutrient found in red meat that is essential for cognitive function is iron. Iron is crucial in oxygen transport to the brain, supporting cognitive processes such as memory, concentration, and overall brain function. Adequate iron intake from sources like red meat is essential for children and pregnant women, as it supports proper brain development and function during critical growth stages. Certain types of red meat, such as grass-fed beef, are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their brain-boosting benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids play a vital role in brain health, supporting cognitive function, memory, and mood regulation. Including omega-3 rich red meat in your diet can help nourish your brain and support optimal cognitive performance. Numerous studies and research have highlighted the positive effects of red meat consumption on cognitive performance. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals who regularly consumed red meat had better cognitive function and memory than those who consumed less red meat. These findings suggest that incorporating red meat into your diet can have tangible benefits for brain health and cognitive function, providing yet another reason to enjoy this nutrient-rich food. Red meat consumption can play a significant role in boosting the immune system and supporting overall health. In this section, we will delve into how the nutrients found in red meat, such as zinc, protein, and vitamins, can contribute to a robust immune response and enhance immune function. Zinc, a vital mineral found in red meat, is essential for immune function and plays a key role in wound healing. Zinc helps regulate immune cell activity, supports the production of antibodies, and aids in the healing of wounds and injuries. Including zinc-rich red meat in your diet can help ensure that your immune system functions optimally and that your body is equipped to fight infections and illnesses. The protein and vitamins present in red meat also play a crucial role in supporting a strong immune response. Protein is necessary for the production of immune cells and antibodies, while vitamins such as B12 and niacin help maintain a healthy immune system and support the body's defense mechanisms. Incorporating red meat into your diet gives your body the essential nutrients it needs to mount an effective immune response and stay healthy. To support immune health, consider including various red meat dishes in your diet. For example, lean cuts of beef can be grilled or roasted with a side of colorful vegetables for a nutrient-rich meal. Additionally, incorporating lean ground turkey or chicken into dishes like chili or stir-fry can provide a delicious and immune-boosting option for your weekly menu. By enjoying a variety of red meat dishes, you can support your immune system and promote overall health and well-being. One of the most persistent myths about red meat is that its saturated fat content is inherently bad for health. However, recent research has shown that the relationship between saturated fat and heart disease is not as clear-cut as once believed. Saturated fat, found in red meat, has been unfairly demonized for decades. Emerging studies indicate that saturated fat does not necessarily increase the risk of heart disease. It can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in the context of whole, unprocessed foods. Saturated fats play a role in hormone production, cell membrane integrity, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. By choosing high-quality, unprocessed red meat, you can enjoy the benefits of saturated fats without the negative health impacts often associated with processed foods. This perspective aligns with the carnivore diet, which emphasizes consuming whole animal products for optimal health. Overall, the health benefits of red meat consumption are vast and varied, making it a valuable addition to a nutrient-dense diet. Throughout this video, we have explored the essential nutrients found in red meat and its impact on heart health, brain function, immune support, and overall well-being. Let's recap the key points discussed and emphasize the importance of including red meat in your diet for optimal health. We have highlighted how red meat is a rich source of high-quality protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which play crucial roles in supporting muscle growth, energy metabolism, immune function, and cognitive health. By incorporating fatty cuts of red meat into your meals, you can ensure that you are meeting your body's nutrient needs and supporting your overall well-being. For those following a carnivore diet, red meat serves as the primary source of nutrition, providing all the essential nutrients needed for thriving health. By embracing red meat consumption, you can tap into its powerful nutritional profile and support your body's various functions. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Food Truth for more content on red meat nutrition, carnivore diet tips, and ways to optimize your health through animal-based nutrition. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the amazing health benefits of red meat consumption. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.